In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Telegram without phone number. Telegram normally asks for a phone number to verify your account. But you don't have to use your personal number. I will walk you through two practical options. Anonymous blockchain numbers, which I recommend for privacy, and virtual VoIP numbers. I will also show you how to protect your account so you don't lose access later. First, the anonymous blockchain option. These numbers are decentralized, often starting with a unique prefix like +888, and they're sold on the Fragment marketplace. Think of them as digital assets. You don't need a SIM card or a mobile plan, and here is no contract attached. They live on the Ton blockchain, so you'll need a small amount of Ton cryptocurrency to purchase and manage one. After you buy a number on Fragment, you simply open Telegram. Choose to log in and enter that new number. When Telegram sends the verification code, you won't get it by SMS. You will get it directly inside your Fragment dashboard or in the TonKeeper app linked to your wallet. Copy the code, paste it into Telegram, and you are in. This route keeps your personal identity separate from your messaging account and gives you full control over the number as a digital asset. Just remember to keep your wallet credentials secure, since that's where your number is managed. Now, the VoIP route. You can use a virtual phone number from a reputable app or service to receive the one-time SMS from Telegram. Look for trusted, paid providers. Some free numbers are widely shared and may be blocked by Telegram. The setup is straightforward. Get a number in the app, enter it in Telegram, and retrieve the verification code inside that VoIP app to complete sign-in. If your VoIP provider recycles numbers, make sure you understand renewal terms so you don't lose access to that number unexpectedly. Whichever path you choose, turn on Telegram's two-step verification as soon as you are logged in. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and enable two-step verification. This adds a password on top of the phone-based login, which is essential if your VoIP number expires, or you ever transfer your blockchain number. Pick a strong password and store it somewhere safe so you can always get back into your account. That's it. Thanks for watching.